Good morning, team. Today is June 26th. Looking at the overall economical calendar, you guys can see we have nothing scheduled for today. Tomorrow we have durable goods and new home sales. Wednesday we have trade balance in goods and Fed Powell speaks at 9:30. Make sure you guys pay attention for that. And then on Thursday, Powell speaks again at 2:30. And then we have jobless numbers, pending home sales. Friday we have personal income, PCE, and then a whole bunch of other information that's coming out. Make sure you guys check this out. But main thing that we want to be paying attention to is on Wednesday, Powell speaks at 9:30, and Thursday, Powell speaks at 2:30, which overall can overall affect the market. So make sure you guys check that out. Starting off the watch list strong, looking at Nvidia. Nvidia basically hit that 439 and struggled to hit that zone. Remember, this is the 180-day 4-hour chart. So these are 4-hour candles. The stock is struggling to basically get above these levels. Make sure you guys watch for a break above 424.89, and then we can start pushing up towards those 439 levels. Watch for that 419, and then we can start pulling back down towards 400 on NVIDIA. Next one we're going to jump into is Meta. Meta has been on an upward trend, and she seems to be unstoppable, making a new high pre-market at 289. So watch for the break of 289.67 before we can start pushing up towards 290. 290, then we can start making our way up towards 295, 300. This is the 1-year high. This is the 180-day high. So she is pushing. Make sure you guys set your stop loss. If she does start to pull back, and let's say hypothetical that this 290 is some type of resistance, watch for the break below 285, and then we can start basically going down towards this support level at 279, right? Watch for the break of the trade line. Make sure you set your alerts. This stock has been on an absolute tear. I just want to check to see if there's any news. That's the cool thing about TD Ameritrade. You could check to see if the stock has any news over here. It's talking about the Musk versus Zuckerberg fight. Comment below, who do you guys think would win in a fight, Musk versus Zuckerberg? So let's jump into the next one. We're going to talk about, let's jump into the next one. We're going to talk about Tesla, actually. So going from Meta, let's talk about Tesla. Looking at Tesla on the 180-day 4-hour over here, you guys can see that we pushed up towards 279. Tesla struggled to break above 279.50. Watch for that break over there. That's going to be a main break, but overall, the stock has basically pulled back. It kind of double bottom at this 248, triple bottom, one bottom, two bottom, three bottom. So watch for the break below 249, and then we can start going down towards 232 to the downside, and watch for the break above 256, and then we can start going at 264. She is below the 1-year trade line. RSI and MACD are both pointed to a bearish position. So if we do break this 249 zone, 248 zone, we could basically have a nice little drop towards this 240 pocket over here. Make sure you set your alerts. I'm going to set my alerts right now. Definitely going to be a nice move to the downside, especially if Tesla's overall on a bearish trend right now and she is pulling back. No major news over here. And then we're going to drop lastly to SPY and finish off over here. SPY is basically on a downward trend. A lot of stocks have been pulling back. We double top at 443, start to fall, and then now we have some type of support at 432. Watch for the break of 432, then we can start getting down towards 429, maybe even lower, maybe even 424. Touch the SMA over here, so it's perfectly possible. A lot of times when stocks move too far away from the SMA, they tend to want to come back and meet it. So watch out for that. RSI is getting more in the oversold. MACD is still crossed down, but if it does want to cross up, watch for the break above 433, and we can start basically going up towards 435 if you want to day trade it. But 435 is going to be a nice break to the top side, and then we can start going to 436. What do you guys think? What stock are you guys watching? What stock are you guys interested in? Comment below, and I'll put it in the next watch list. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.